What's going on everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to check the tread depths on your tyres to make sure that you're safe in the rainy months. So here in the UK the minimum tread depth is 1.6mm across the central 3/4 of the tyre tread width. So we're talking about here across this area, making sure that the minimum in any given area is 1.6mm in depth. And you can check that by using a tread depth gauge, or you can even use a 20p piece. The edge of a 20p piece is approximately 2 to 2.5mm in depth. And if you can see the edge of the 20p piece, it's probably time to replace your tyres, or at least booking to make sure that you can get them replaced as soon as possible. Another quick tip that I'd like to give you is also to check for uneven wear on the outer edge. Make sure that you've got some sort of positive camber or toe-in issue where the wheel toes in. It's turned to the right at the moment, but that is a over-exaggerated example of toe-in. Or if it's wearing on the inside edge on the other side of the car now, that might be an example of toe-out, and this is obviously a over-exaggerated toe-out example where the front of the wheel is facing outwards because this is turning right at the moment with the wheel. Or it may be some negative camber where the wheel, top of the wheel, is actually tilted inwards and the bottom of the wheel is tilted outwards. So that might be the cause of uneven tread wear. Or if you have equal wear on both the outer edges, that might be because the tyres are underinflated. Not necessarily an issue nowadays because a lot of tyres have tyre pressure monitoring systems and you don't often see underinflated tyres. Overinflated tyres though, on the other hand, you may see that the tread wear in the middle is greater because the tyre balloons and curves, and in that ballooning and curving of the tyre you end up with uneven tread wear, more tread wear occurring in the centre of the tyre because of that ballooning. So that's a little how-to video on how you can check your tread depth on your tyres and also check for uneven wear. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you in the next one.